Okay, y'all. So, before I start the video, you guys see this backdrop, right? So, don't worry. Don't worry. I got y'all. Who made that backdrop? Y'all gonna get a video. Don't worry, yo. Trust me. Before we get into this box, though, like I said on my Insta stories, for those who follow me on Instagram at KolorPop Designz, make sure you check me out there, okay? Make sure you subscribe. So, we gonna go ahead and get into the box. So, my hubby purchased some things as a surprise for me. I had no idea he was purchasing these things from the box. That was a really nice gesture from him. So yeah, let's get into the back. Okay. This is how the box comes. Oh, isn't it so cute? I mean, from the outside, it's kind of like, girl, like no Fenty or nothing like that on the back, on the outside of the packaging. But this is super cute. It's almost like a gold or a rose gold. I want to say like a rose gold. And then it has like a, a little sticker on top. Already, some of the stuff already came out. Let's get into it. This should be a fairly quick video. So just like your normal, oh wow. It comes with a cute little welcome to extra VIP membership. How do you savage Fenty? Like a little cute little booklet. And it has VIP member benefits. So if I'm not mistaken, I think like the Fenty line, you can actually like buy product, like, you know, just regular product. Or you can subscribe to their membership, kind of like a subscription type of thing. So that's probably why they're saying the member benefits. But yeah, this is the place card right here. And it has women of all different shapes and sizes on there. I really like that. And including on the back. Okay. So what bae get me, y'all? What he get? What he get? So I'm just, and the wrap and the paper in the inside is more like a purple color. So let's see what we got. What if I should, ooh, okay. I wonder if I should say them for last. Let me say them for last, y'all. Let me say that stuff for last. The first thing is, let's see what this is. He keeps telling me I need to be opening up the box because there's 30 days that you have, you know, if you need to exchange or, you know, take back. Okay, this is cute. Okay. Let me show y'all. Look at that. It's like a little tank top. Little racerback tank. That's cute. And this is a large. And even the little tags are cute, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that cute? This is just a print card, but this one is pretty. And it's like a plasticky, like right there. And this is more like a shimmer, like a pearlesque shimmer. Has Fenty on it, Savage Fenty. That's cute, okay. Babe must be trying to tell me I need to work out, y'all. This must be some bottoms that go with that top. Literally, y'all, I swear to God, I have not opened up this box. It has a little, whatever that is. Oh my God, these are super cute, y'all. Look at that. It has that same print that was on the top. And then it has the little Savage Fenty. Now y'all, I work from home a lot. I'll probably go in maybe once a week. Majority of the time I'm at home lounging. I only get dressed up really on the weekends or if I'm going somewhere. So yeah, this would be perfect to be walking around in the house in. And these are a large as well. And again, it has that little cute little tag. And it is nice and stretchy. This is cute, y'all. It has it on that back front part of the leg. So that is cute. Okay, babe. Okay. What's this? So look, I just want to show y'all. Look, I have not opened up nothing. Look, I'm trying to see me opening it up. And I'm gonna have more hauls, y'all. Y'all, this is cute. It's a bodysuit. Look at that. Look at that. I like the thongish. I like that. I like my ass hanging out. No, I'm just playing. No, not really. I really do like my ass hanging out. But no, this is super cute. Look at that. And it has it around the band. You probably can wear some cute little jeans with this. Girl. Ooh. Okay. Okay, Rihanna. You doing your thing, girl. This is a large too. This is cute. I like the booty part. Look at that. Yes. And it has a little snap in the front part right here. This is cute. This is real cute. Ooh. So this must be some pants or bottoms that go with it. No, this is something else. So maybe he got me a couple outfits. Like this is the pants. This looks like these are pants to match. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, they are. So look, it has that same print that was on the bodysuit around the waistline. Look, I'm dropping stuff. This is cute, and it has like a little print on the leg part. I'm gonna ask Babe when he get home, like, babe, you trying to say I need to like go work out? Like, I mean, by me, I probably do need to work out. Next thing is, I accidentally had opened this when I was opening up that one, but this is a blue pair. Look, I'm getting comments. Okay. And it has Savage Fenty around the waistline. And again, a little print on here. Okay. Yeah, now I'm starting to think like, I'm not even gonna say that. But I love it though, I love it. Let's see what this is. This must be a top that goes for blue. Because I can tell by looking through the packaging, and it is, it's just like the first top, the racer back. It's cute. Look at that. You know what? I'm gonna wear this, you know what I mean, on the plane ride. On our vacation coming up. I can probably rock one of these outfits. Yeah, that'll be cute. What y'all think? Girl, yeah, this is definitely airport attire if you're not ready to go work out or lounging around. So this is cute. It looks like Baby had thongs on his mind. Okay? Because that's what this is looking like. These are all underwear now. Oh my God, I feel like this is my birthday. Okay. Look. Ain't these cute, y'all? It's almost like the Calvin Klein, like the Calvin Klein has, you know, around the band. And this is like elastic. This is cute. Yes, look at that. You can wear you some cute, like, you know, like those boyfriend pants. They kind of fit kind of baggy. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And have this kind of like peeping out the top a little bit. Oh, when you bend over, girl. I know I ain't the only one who be thinking that. I know I ain't the only one thinking that. I mean, you got some Savage Fenty on. You need to make sure people can see or they know. Here's another pair. This is like a salmon color. These are cute. Look at that. Y'all see this coming up on there? This is cute. Right there. He want to see me walking around in that thong. I mean, to be honest, y'all, I feel like, I mean, Victoria's Secret is cool. Like, don't get me wrong. There's no shade or nothing like that. But there's so many other lines, like Adore Me, and, you know, there's more people getting out there in the industry with the lingerie, panty, bras, and stuff like that, taking over. Look at that. I like these ones. These is cute. They have Savage Fenty written all over them. And this is a gray color, again, like a rose gold. It says Savage X Fenty. Yes, like it. And these are all a large. Yeah, these is cute. Like this. Y'all comment down below, like, what y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? Have y'all ordered from Savage Fenty? I mean, what y'all think? Will y'all be making a purchase? Because her items are usually hard to come by. Like, once she drops some stuff, it's hard to come by, sells out. So I'm surprised. So I'm really surprised he was able to pull this off. And here's a white pair. These are cute too. I like it. They're coming up? Yeah. Ooh, this is cute, y'all. I'm gonna have to give my boo a call and let him know. Thank you, babe. These are cute. Yeah, so these are all the panties, the thongs. And I got 3 outfits. Who can complain, okay? This is the box. This is everything that was in the box. So y'all make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Like and subscribe. And again, if y'all want to see that, I may be doing another, I'm going to be doing haul videos. It looked like my Burlington haul video is doing pretty good. I'm getting a lot of views on that one. So I might kind of, you know, throw a haul in there every now and then. I know someone asked me to do a haul on some items I had bought from Target. Y'all went in there for beads. And I came out of there spending like over $200. Literally. Like, I had like, it's ridiculous. But it's mostly kid items. So if y'all want to see that, let me know down in the comments. I'll probably still be posting that video. Thanks guys for tuning into this quick video. I wanted to make sure I got this out because my husband just kept bugging me about when am I going to review the items, or you know, when I'm going to review it, because he wanted me to see what was in the box for the deadline approaches for returns if I needed to return anything. Thank you guys. And again, this backdrop I will be posting. Trust me. I've gotten a lot of DMs, a lot of comments. Everybody wants to know, how did I achieve this backdrop? It's super easy. If you're very, you know, you got some time, some patience, it's a fun project to do. I really like doing fun projects and decorations and party stuff or whatever. So, you know, it was not that bad for me. But yeah, I will be posting this video. So until then, you guys, thank you for tuning in. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.